Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you some whatnot secrets. Some of these things you guys might know. If you do, don't come at me in the comments being like, I already know that, that's not a secret. It might be a secret to somebody else. Not everyone is going to know everything that I say in this video, okay? Okay, ready? Here we go. First secret is bookmarks on your shows mean nothing. They really don't mean anything. So basically what a bookmark is exactly that. You can go to somebody's whatnot profile and you can bookmark one of their shows. When you bookmark a show, when that show starts, you will get a notification saying, hey, this show is starting. The amount of bookmarks that you have, that's no indication as to how many people are going to actually come to your show. Just because you have like 50 bookmarks on one show doesn't mean that all 50 of those people are going to come to the show. I have had shows where I've had hundreds of bookmarks, like 400, 500 bookmarks, and I haven't had 400 or 500 people in that show. So yes, while it is good to encourage your viewers, followers, buyers to bookmark your shows, it is good to have them do that, because there is the potential they could get that notification and show up immediately. But just know that that really has no indication how many people are going to come to your show. I actually have a couple of better ways to get people into your shows, but I'm going to talk about that in a future video. If you guys didn't know, this is 2023. New year, same Vanessa. I'm just gonna be pumping out more YouTube videos than last year for sure. You guys know that sellers are able to co-host people that aren't sellers? I've co-hosted my mom before. She's not a seller on Whatnot. If you do that, no, well, actually, anyone you co-host, just know that whatever they do, you are responsible for. It's gonna be your show, you're responsible for what happens. So say like you wanna co-host I don't know, one of your friends, and it's like a Friday night and your friend's out like literally shit-faced or something and like doing bad things, just know that you can be held responsible for that. Even though you aren't doing it yourself, you allowed them on your show. So definitely tread carefully with that. But yeah, it can be a really, really fun thing to do. Another secret. Did you know that you can email Whatnot and ask them to send you videos of your past shows? There's a number of reasons why you would want a video of one of your past shows. Let's say you were selling a shirt and the shirt had a hole in it and you disclosed that on your show, and then the person that bought it. When they received the shirt, they saw the hole and they're like, what? You didn't tell me that. So they left you a bad review, or they wanted to return it. And you're like, wait a second, I think I did tell them that. And you want to just make sure like for your own sanity, as well as telling Whatnot, like, hey, this was disclosed. That could be a reason. Another reason could be maybe you want to watch your shows and see what you look like on camera. I think that's a cool thing to do, to like analyze, you know, how you look on camera. I have to watch these videos back every time I edit them, and sometimes I'm like, that's you, Vanessa, that's you. But no, like for someone that isn't comfortable in front of a camera, I think that's a great thing to do, is to request one of those videos, and then you can see, you know, how you acted on camera, what you did right, what you maybe could work on. It'd definitely be a helpful tool to help you better improve yourself. Why am I using my hands so much in this video? Watching your past shows can definitely help you to become more comfortable in front of the camera. Again, analyzing yourself, seeing, you know, oh, I could have done this better, or, you know, maybe I should do that next time and not do this. I'm not sure how far back Whatnot keeps records of shows. That's actually a good question. I'm gonna reach out to them, and if they respond to me back in time before I'm editing this video, I'll like put it here on the screen. I'm not sure how far back you can request them though. Another secret is that you don't have to accept cancellations. It says right on the Whatnot website that all bids are binding. So if someone accidentally bids, if someone's toddler gets a hold of their phone and they bid, if they're taking a drink and a drop of water gets on their phone and it bids, you don't have to cancel those. You don't. If the person requests to cancel them and you say no, there's no like slap on the wrist from Whatnot. It's up to your own discretion. I have canceled some orders before because people have been like, you know, I genuinely didn't mean to bid on it. I'm like, okay. I will not do cancellations during my Lululemon shows because sometimes I have gift bags and that just messes everything up. For the most part, you know, if you're nice about it, I will accept your cancellation. But just know as a seller, you don't have to do that. On other platforms, there are different rules about cancellations, but on Whatnot, the ball's in your court. It's up to you what you want to do. Here's a secret that I don't feel like many people know, or people act like they don't know. Here's a little secret. You can start your auctions at whatever price you want. If you have an item that you don't want selling for $1, then don't start the auction at $1. Because there's a possibility that only one person will bid and you'll sell it for $1. I honestly feel like that's a secret that some people don't know, because I've seen people get so mad. It's like, just start it at a different price. Last secret is how to get followers. Giveaways. Giveaways are a great way to get followers. They are. When you run a giveaway, you can choose the option that the people that enter the giveaway have to be following you. So there you go. You're going to get more followers. Whatnot recently changed one of the rules with giveaways. Before, you used to be able to pin a giveaway and then have it running for like literally as long as you wanted it to. I've been in shows where people have had giveaways pinned for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour while they're just talking, which is a genius way to get followers. There are a couple people I'm like, okay, you got a lot of followers. That's one of the reasons why you have so many followers. But I think a lot of people complained about that because Whatnot recently put a time limit on giveaways. There's a 5-minute time limit. You can no longer pin a giveaway and then choose when you run it. You start a giveaway, a 5-minute countdown goes down, and when that 5 minutes is over, if you don't run it before then, it's automatically run by Whatnot. And I think that that is great because, again, I feel like that was abused by so many sellers. That could be, oh man, that's going to be another video that I do, things that sellers on Whatnot abuse. Oh, geez. Yeah, that is a great way to get followers, is to do giveaways, because honestly, who doesn't like free shit? Honestly. I actually won 2 pretty big giveaways on Whatnot a couple weeks ago. It was right before Christmas. Whatnot was sponsoring a bunch of shows one day, and in every show you could win a $100 Nordstrom gift card. Well, I won a $100 Nordstrom gift card in 2 different shows, which is awesome. I was so excited. Some people were not excited for me. They're like, oh, it's rigged. It's rigged. This isn't fair. It's like, it's not rigged. There's nothing I could have done to up my chances of winning. Like, it's all random. People are just bitter assholes, basically. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Again, I know some of these things you guys have probably heard of. Some of them you might have not heard of. I feel like this is good for someone that's new to Whatnot. I really wish there were videos when I started on Whatnot like this. I do have a Whatnot playlist. I will link that down below. I am going to be doing another Whatnot Q&A video soon, so if you have any questions, you can feel free to drop them in the comments down below, or you can send me a DM on Instagram. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.